$500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this actually started an uptrend which came to an end at this resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it had a pullback. I mean, it sold till it got to this support zone, and of course went back up, and of course guys, it has not been able to break out from this particular resistance zone. You can see it's respected it around there and also around there, so this should be selling, so it should give us more of a selling opportunity. At least it should get to this region first. If it breaks out from here, then it should get to the next region, which happened to be here, and of course guys, if it breaks out from here, then it should get to the last part of it. Okay, so you should take note of that. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. This has been on a very strong downtrend. You can see it right from here. It has been selling and selling since then. It has gotten to a new support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. So this is still very much on downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so it is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Crash 1000 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it got to this support zone, and of course it started an uptrend from there, got here, came back down again, and it went back up, and of course this will be buying more. It has got into this resistance zone. Once it breaks out from there, then it should be targeting this region. Okay, so you should take note of that. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is Crash 500, and of course it started a downtrend right from here, which came to an end at this spot. So it has started an uptrend right now, and of course the uptrend has got into this resistance zone and was unable to go above that. If it's unable to go above this, then it will go fully into a downtrend. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, last asset is going to be volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually sold from the resistance zone till it got to this support zone, and right from here it started an uptrend, got to this region, played around there for a while before going above it and got to a new resistance zone. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there, so it is selling at the moment. May likely sell till it gets to this particular spot. If it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will go back on uptrend to try out this, but at the moment this is still selling. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.